In this walkthrough, we will use graph mode and note objects for creating the auto-tune effect and for recreating melody. I've got my audio tracked into graph mode and format correction is turned on. I also have show lanes turned on. Here's what it sounds like without any pitch correction.
With the fire in the box, the flames could only talk. It's smoke that burns my eyes, of the raven and the hawk. And
instead of using one of Auto-Tune's correction object creation functions like make notes or import auto, I'm going to simply draw a single note object across the entire track. As you can see, my per object retune speed is already set to 0 because I set that as a default in the options menu. To get an idea of how great Auto-Tune is at recreating melody, here's what this track sounds like with a single note object across it on a single pitch.
with the fire in the box, the flames could only talk. It's smoke that burns my eyes, of the raven and the hawk.
Now I'm going to cut up this long note into smaller ones and move these smaller note objects to different pitches. I have snap to note turned on, so my note movements will always snap to exact notes. Since the song I'm working on uses time in seconds and not bars and beats, I will make my cuts based on the waveform shape. Note objects are very flexible, and I can always move these edits around as needed to dial in my new melody. Okay, let's hear what I've created so far.
With the fire in the box, the flames could only talk. It's smoke that burns my eyes, of the raven and the hawk.
Once again, let's hear the track with Auto-Tune turned off.
With the fire in the box, the flames could only talk. It's smoke that burns my eyes, of the raven and the hawk.
Again, with Auto-Tune turned on.
With the fire in the box, the flames could only talk. It's smoke that burns my eyes, of the raven and the hawk. Hand in hand we jump, hand in hand we jump.